today the topics that we are going to talk about are encryption in Snowflake. So end-to-end encryption is also called as E2EE. It is a method to secure data that prevents third parties from reading data while at rest or in transit to and from Snowflake. We saw that at rest it is using AES 256 encryption. For transitory data, it is using TLS 1.2 network protocol. Now, there are multiple ways in which this entire encryption works. So the first method is when you have a staging area present, which is maybe your internal stage. So in that case, when you upload the data file, this will be a customer provided staging area. So this will be external, this will be internal. So let's talk about this first. When uploading a file to an internal stage, Snowflake will automatically encrypt all the data files that you are loading, and the encryption is performed during this particular load operation from customer to the stage area. And once here there it will use one key, and once the data has been loaded from your stage to your table, it will use another key. Similarly, if you are unloading data from your table to your stage, the same key is used to decrypt the data. And from here onwards, if you are loading data, if you are unloading data from your internal stage to your local, then at the same point, the same key is used to decrypt the data as well. Next, let's talk about your external stage, how exactly this encryption works in your external stage. So when loading data, which is from your, let's suppose an EDLS bucket into an external stage, now this external stage, it is not managed by Snowflake. So here you can choose whether you want to encrypt the data or you want to leave it unencrypted. So here when you're loading data from your local to your internal stage, Snowflake will automatically take care of the encryption. But if you're loading data to an external storage location, that is from an external stage, in that case you can choose whether you want to encrypt that data or not. And then the same process happens. If you choose to encrypt the data here, there will be an encryption key that will be used to load data into stage. Once the data is loaded into a stage, another set of keys are used to encrypt the data into the table. Now, once unloading data from a table, the same set of keys will be used to decrypt the data. That decrypted data will be sent to your external stage. And when downloading data from your external stage, same set of encryption keys should be used to decrypt the data.